There he was, at the bank, to collect his hard-earned retirement money. He opened the door to his vault and peered inside. Panicked, he saw all that was left, just a few lone dollars blowing across the floor among loose change. Howard wakes suddenly in a cold sweat. Luckily, this was just a bad dream, but it was obvious that he was concerned about what to do with his money in retirement. After working for so many years with a steady paycheck and a lifestyle they were accustomed to, it was only natural to worry about retirement. What happens if I retire and the markets tank? How much should I withdraw? How do we make sure we don't outlive our savings? There are so many questions. Together, they decided to go meet with an advisor at Unified Trust. Sure, they had many options, but they wanted an expert in retirement and, most importantly, someone they could trust. Unified Trust is different. As a national trust company and fiduciary, they are bound by law to always act in the best interest of their clients. They have spent years developing a peace-of-mind solution for retirees or soon-to-be retirees called the Unified IncomePlan. It's a plan that's personalized to your retirement goals and is managed in a way to help you overcome the challenges of retirement by aiming to provide a reliable income stream and the ability to enjoy all that you've worked for. So, Howard and his wife met with Unified Trust as they prepared for retirement. Howard discussed wanting to work on his golf game, and they both talked about how they couldn't wait to travel and spend time with their grandchildren. Their grandson Tyler loved to go to the local aquarium in the summer, and their granddaughter Annie was just learning how to walk. They couldn't wait to spend time with her as she was growing up and enjoy trips to the city park. Maintaining their standard of living was very important to them, and they liked that their unified income plan was actively managed by a team of experts and periodically adjusted for changing market and lifestyle conditions, which allowed them to sit back and enjoy all the things they worked so hard to achieve. Howard and his wife's desire to have peace of mind in retirement is not unique. Whether you want to travel or stay close to home, your retirement should be exactly what you want it to be. At Unified Trust, we take that responsibility seriously and always work with your best interest as our compass. Now, the time has come for Howard to pack up his office and enter retirement. Of course, he's still a little anxious. After all, retirement is full of change. But thanks to Unified Trust, Howard sleeps peacefully, perhaps waking up for a midnight snack, not because he's worried about his retirement income. You've worked hard to get to retirement. Let Unified Trust and our Unified Income Plan help you get the most out of it. Contact an advisor today and let Unified Trust help secure your tomorrow.